Saab channel, and this video is going to be just a quick tip on why you should replace your intake O-ring. Now, I'm doing all kinds of other projects here, so don't mind some of this mess, but one of the most common misdiagnoses of oil coming out of your intake and seeping down over the throttle body is, anything from a bad PCV or possible turbo failing. And while all those things are good to check, sometimes it could be just as simple as replacing this little O-ring that goes right around the throttle body. This rubber material, just like any gasket, can get really hard and just super brittle. I mean, I can pretty much break this with my fingers. So before you start looking into anything more extensive, I'd recommend you just pick up a new O-ring. They're super cheap, probably less than $2. That is the part number from esaabparts.com. That is the Saab OE part number. And all I'm going to do is just clean this up. And pop on the new gasket. There you go. It really is that simple. Some things that'll help is removing this 13mm bolt out of the intake turbo pipe stay. That way you get some little bit of play with it, as well as undoing your turbo bypass valve, just to give you some wiggle room so you can pop this intake off after you undo the clamp and access that O-ring. So hope that video helped. Take your little victories where you can. Thank you guys for watching.